As you see, already green, right? Already green, guys. Look at this, green color.
So today I would like to show you how to make the jelly grass. So how I can make this jelly grass? It's really easy. Only the main ingredient is only jelly grass leaves and then water. And one secret is coral. That is the secret. Wow! So I will show you what is the ingredients. But before I do how to make the jelly grass, I will show you first the secret. Right, coral. This is the original coral, the one that we get from the sea. Coral, right? This is only small coral, the one that we use. Do you know why? It can make the jelly grass very fast to become tough, you know, hard, not become a liquid so long time. So only maybe 10 minutes, by 10 minutes or 15 minutes maximum, so your jelly grass will be done. Alright, so the second one, all empty. Why? Everybody asking, right? You want to ask me why you don't have any ingredient. I will answer later. So water, I'm ready with the water. Okay, so now where I can get the jelly grass? Where's the ingredients? I will show you. This is the leaves.
This kind of leaves.
Right. Before I continue the videos, I would like to wash the leaves so that it will be clean, to be sure that this jelly grass will be healthy. Right. Thank you guys for waiting. Right. Now prepare the water. Very important. The water.
Okay. The water will be 500 milliliter. I'm using the measurements of this jug.
Okay. Done. The water.
Okay, the water will be 500 milliliter. I'm using the measurements of this jug. And also very important, the water, the one that we use is warm water. It's not a cold water or normal water, but warm water. This one is very important. Warm water is very good to use to squeeze the jelly grass leaves, because this is the rules. You can use the normal water, cold water, but no problem. But there, you know, the result will be different. Unlike the warm water, the warm water will give more faster to make jelly. So I will try to put the water. Right, as you see, guys. Right, 500 milliliter. It's full. 500 milliliter full of this jug. Okay, now I put the water inside here. Okay, and then now we're going to start ready. So it will be very fast. We just scratch, snap it, the leaves, snap. Okay, so that easy to squeeze the juice of the leaves. This is what I like to make jelly grass, because my wife's favorite drinks, also my daughter's favorite drink is jelly grass, the one that we have at home. We never ask to someone or buy, we just make by our own self. So just snake it, squeeze, snake it, squeeze. Okay. Alright, almost. We will leave it around 10 minutes or 15 minutes after it's done. Oh, sorry. Actually, to make jelly grass is very easy, guys. Really easy. Today I will show you only how to make the jelly grass. You know, the ingredient is only water and the leaves. But the secret is the coral. Now you have to cut. Yeah, you do like this. The coral, right? Make sure you have two, so that you have to scratch to each other of the coral like this. Okay, that's enough. Only like that, and then you continue squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Oh yeah, I will tell you something, guys. If you use the normal water or cold water, the leaves really hard to squeeze. If you use warm water, the leaves fast to get broken, as you see, and then very fast to become a jelly, right? Almost done. I'm very happy to cook if my daughter and my wife happy with what I cook, what I make. Okay. As you see, already green, right? Already green, guys. Look at this, green color. So almost done. I keep on squeezing, squeeze, squeeze, and squeeze. Okay. Oh. Yeah. That's why be careful, guys, when you squeeze the leaves, because sometimes the water is coming out. You have to take care. See, there is a bubble, means almost done. If coming bubble, because this bubble came from the leaves, the more you squeeze, the bubble will become more also. This is what I like also to cook at home. Very important thing, and then very happy, because if you can cook for your family, not because I'm a man, but I'm happy to cook. Sometimes I will cook something else. So it's green, already green. Just squeeze, squeeze, and squeeze now. Squeeze, squeeze, and squeeze. Okay, almost thick. Now the water become thick, guys. Let's see. Okay. Okay. It's really thick. make jelly grass is very fast. Right. When you crush, you have to make the leaf become like this. Really totally broken. Totally broken. Like this. Broken. Totally broken. Right. Okay, now done. See? Almost. Okay. Done. Now I need to strain. Right. Strain first. All right. Strainer, traditional strainer. So almost okay, as you see guys. Right, we strain now. Okay, strain it now. Do you know what happened in my life? The most happiest in my life is if I can cook for my family, and especially when they like what you cook. Alright, almost done. Right. Alright guys, so this is the jelly grass. Okay, jelly grass, it's ready as you see. Right, the jelly grass is ready. As simple as you see how to make the jelly grass. Important you have the leaves, and then how to make, it's really easy. It's not so hard to make the jelly grass. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoy the videos. I don't make any drinks from this jelly grass because today I just want to show you how to make the jelly grass only. So if you want to know how I will prepare how to make drinks from the jelly grass, so just watch our next videos. Don't forget, you have to watch always our video. The next video will be drinks from the jelly grass. I will tell you something guys, the drink, the one that I will make is very nice and very tasty. You will be like it because this one is very famous in my family. First in my family, because my wife and my daughter, they like it so much. So the next drink is the jelly grass with coconut milk. The coconut milk is not the normal coconut milk, the one that I will use. The coconut milk will be grilled coconut before I squeeze. So the flavor of the coconut milk will be smoky. Then the smokiness from the coconut milk, and then there is a coconut sugar, the one that I will use to combine to be drinks, very tasty drinks, the one I will prepare for you in the video. So thank you for watching. Don't forget like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.